Friends, welcome to Chawla's Kitchen today. First of all, I just wanted to thank you guys for appreciating us. We are really getting a very good response. And today I'm going to make a very simple recipe, but it's the first dal which I am going to make for Chawla's Kitchen today. So what dal it is? It's called chana dal. That is gram flour dal. The lentil with bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, it's called Loki in Punjab and Dudi in, I think, UP. So why I am going to present this recipe to you guys is because it's very healthier, and the flavor of this dal is really different from other dals, because it's both of Dudi and chana dal that makes a sweet flavor, and sweet flavor of course looks good. This is my mother's recipe. There's a trick behind it, and simple recipe, but I want to show that trick to you. So let's get started for what we need for this dal. So here I have already boiled the dal. I have cut this dudi, that is Loki, into small pieces, and I just put it in a pressure cooker with this dal, and this was boiled together. So it took me like 2 whistles without soaking this dal, just 2 whistles, and it's done. So this should be the consistency of the dal you should look for, This should be like, it should be mashed with your fingers. And what else we need for tadka is, here goes some jeera and some fennel seeds. This fennel seeds, it's called saunf. This is a trick for this dal, because the complement of the dal and dodi, that makes a sweet flavor, and this adds more sweetness to this dal. And some onion, some ginger, some garlic, with some like 1 tomato I'm using in this, and some cilantro, some salt according to your taste, some garam masala, some red chili powder, some turmeric, and of course some oil. So I have used around half of onion in this, and dal was around 1 cup, just dal. So look at the like after getting boiled, it's this much. So let's get started. My oil is heated up. I am going to put jeera and fennel seeds together in this pan. Just give it like a minute, and along with it I'm going to use garlic, around half to 1 teaspoon of garlic, with some ginger, around a pinch of ginger in it. So let it cook for around 1 minute, then we'll be putting our onion in it. My ginger and garlic is done. Here goes my onion. Just cook it for like 2 minutes until it's like translucent. Then we'll be putting our tomatoes. Onions are done. Here goes my tomatoes. So make it a point, just wanted to tell you guys, Punjabis actually add ginger and garlic at the starting of making a tadka. So make it a point to add ginger and garlic in the front. And my tomatoes are done. It has started separating the oil. So now at this point of time, I am going to put all the masalas, that's condiments. Here goes some salt according to your taste, some turmeric powder, some garam masala. And believe me, just try out this recipe. My kid, he loves this dal because of the sweet flavor. It's done. So now here is my dal. I'm just going to put it on a like between medium to high heat, and here goes the tadka. This is a Punjabi tadka, so just put everything generously, and after putting tadka, we have to make sure that we cook this dal for another like 10-15 minutes to give it a like Punjabi flavor. So it should be cooked on a medium heat, and I'll just cover up a lid and let it cook, and all the masalas and tadka would be blended in this dal. So let's check back after 5-10 minutes. There goes the lid. Around 10 minutes after putting tadka, and dal is done. Look at the consistency, how it should look like. It should not be like water should be, you know, on the top and dal should be at the bottom. It should be blended completely. So it's blended. So let me switch off the heat, and here goes some cilantro according to your taste. Some people put a lot. I don't like cilantro. My husband loves it. So I'm not generous in this. So that's it. This dal is ready, and just try out this with your kids. Here goes the dal. Chana dal with Loki. Try out this recipe. You are really gonna love it. Your kids will really love it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye bye.